first covering page you write down your school name, and in the font middle you put down the school logo. This is your covering page. Turn over the page. You write down class 9. First you write down the student name, your name, then class 9, section, roll number, subject geography, year write down the year. Again you write down the school name. Turn over the page. Next page is topic. Topic is meteorological instrument and their uses. You can decorate this word. Turn over the page. Contents. This is contents. Serial number, topic name, page number. 1. Introduction. 7. Page number. Serial number 2. Importance of meteorological instruments. 9. 3. Photo of 6 maximum and minimum thermometer. Page number 10. 4. 6 maximum and minimum thermometer. Page number 11. 5. Mercury Barometer photo. Page number 12. 6. Mercury Barometer. Page number 13. 7. Photo of Android Barometer. Page number 14. 8. Serial number Android Barometer. Page number 15. 9. Photo of windvane. Page number 16. 10. Windvane. Page number 17. 11. Photo of anemometer. Page number 18. 12. Anemometer. Page number 19. 13. Photo of rain gauge. Page number 20. 14. Rain gauge. Page number 21. Serial number 15. Hygrometer photo. Page number 22. 16. Hygrometer. Page number 23. 17. Serial number conclusion. Page number 25. Serial number 18. Acknowledgement. Page number 27. 19. Bibliography. Page number 29. Come to next page. Next page is page number 7. Introduction. Meteorological observations are recorded at 3 levels: BIZ, surface observation, observatories, upper air observations, and space-based observation platforms. The World Meteorological Organization in bracket W capital M capital O capital bracket close, a specialized agency of the United Nations, coordinates these observations. In next para, in India, meteorological observations are normally classified into 5 categories depending upon their instruments and the number of daily observation taken. The highest category is class 1, typical instrumental facility available in a class 1 observatory consist. Come to next page, page number White sheet is 8 page number and ruling page is 9 number. Point is importance of meteorological instruments. Meteorological departments of a country, on the basis of the data collected by use of various instruments and weather forecast made by the meteorological stations, is very important as it guides oceans navigation, fishing activity in the open sea, cropping pattern and aviation schedules. Full stop. Come to next para. Small a in bracket, condition of weather such as wind direction, velocity, guide air traffic. Full stop. Small b in bracket, military operations, geographical expedition, important sports events, all take into consideration weather forecasts and recording. C in bracket, temperature, humidity and precipitation control the cropping pattern and cropping seasons of a place. This page is 9. Come to next page. White page is 10 and ruling. Here is diagram, page number 10. You can watch. This is 6 maximum and minimum thermometer. This diagram you can get through internet and give all sides border, pencil border, all side you give pencil border, and remember this is all side give equal space. This page number is 10. Come to, this is a white sheet diagram and ruling sheet, same topic. This is diagram of 6 maximum and minimum thermometer. Here the topic same, 6 maximum and minimum thermometer, page number 11. The temperature of the atmosphere is measured by an instrument called 6 maximum and minimum thermometer. Next para, it is a narrow glass tube that contains mercury and is graduated in degree. Full stop. The freezing point and boiling point of water are taken as reference points to graduate the thermometer in degrees. The level of mercury in the thermometer rises and falls with increase and decrease in temperature. Come to next para. The temperature of the atmosphere starts rising at sunrise and reaches a maximum in the afternoon. It starts decreasing in the evening and reaches a minimum before sun rises. The maximum and minimum temperatures recorded during a day are observed using the 6 maximum and minimum thermometer. Full stop. Page number 11. Next page is 12. Page number 13, you can watch page number 13, Mercury Barometer. Here is mentioned, explain. You watch, but white page, you see the picture of barometer. This is Mercury Barometer, you can watch. Page number 12, this white page, Here you paste the diagram. And is number 13 Mercury Barometer. The air in the atmosphere has weight and thus it exerts pressure on the earth's surface. Come to next para. At sea level, a column of air exerts the pressure of a little more than 1 kilogram per square centimeter, which is shown with a mercury column of 76 centimeter. Atmospheric pressure is calculated in millibars at sea level, it is approximate 1013 millibars, full stop. The atmospheric pressure is the higher at the lowest altitude of the earth, full stop. As we go above the earth's surface, the pressure decreases. Next para. Barometer is a device to measure the atmospheric pressure of a place. Since the atmospheric pressure changes with the distance above or below sea level, there are two main types of barometers, mercury and rod. This is page number 13. Come to next page, page number I think 14 and 15 page number. You can watch Android barometer theory and diagram is white page. This is Android barometer diagram. This page is 14 number, Android barometer. This picture you can get from internet. Okay, come to point. Android barometer. Android barometer gets its name from the Greek aneros, in bracket a not, semicolon, neros, dash, single inverted comma, moisture, comma, meaning without liquid. It is a compact and portable instrument, full stop. It consists of a corrugated metal box made up of a thin alloy, sealed completely and made airtight after partial exhaustion of air, full stop. It has a thin flexible lid, which is sensitive to changes of pressure, full stop. Next para. As the pressure increases, the lid is pressed inward, and this, in turn, moves a system of levers connected to a pointer, which moves clockwise over the graduated dial and gives higher reading, full stop. When the pressure decreases, the lid is pushed outward and pointer moves counterclockwise, indicating lower pressure. This page number is 15. Next page. Okay. Windvane page number 17 and white sheet page number 16. The diagram is windvane. You can watch. Okay. Windvane. Windvane is a simple instrument used to determine the direction of wind. It should be placed in open areas where the wind is not blocked by buildings or trees. A wind vane consists of two parts. Come to next para. Point number 1, Roman 1. A pointer mounted on a pole that moves freely and points to the direction from which the wind is blowing, to stop. Roman 2. A fixed marker, showing the cardinal directions, namely north, south, east and west, which helps to determine the direction of wind. Come to next para. Winds are named after the direction from which they blow. For example, winds blowing from the west are called westerly winds. Come to next page. Page number 19, anemometer, and watch here the diagram. Anemometer, the speed of the wind is measured by anemometer. It has four semicircular cups are fixed to a rotating shaft with the help of thin rods. The movement of wind causes the cups to spin. The inward curve of the cup receives the maximum force of the wind. A meter attached at the base of records the number of spins and measures the speed of the wind in kilometers per hour. Come to next para. It is a simple instrument consisting of four cups on four arms linked to a central axis. The cups face the same direction and the force of the wind makes them move. The stronger the wind, the faster the arms of the anemometer rotates around the central axis. This page is page number 19. Come to next page. Next page is rain gauge, page number 21. The diagram is, this is diagram of rain gauge. You watch the rain gauge diagram. Okay. Explain is, rainfall is the most common form of precipitation. Rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall received in an area. It consists of a metallic cylinder or jar with the vessel placed inside. A funnel is set on top of this jar that fits it accurately. Rainwater is collected in the vessel through the funnel. This water is then poured in a measuring jar that is graduated in millimeters and centimeters. The reading is taken at an interval of 24 hours. Come to next para. The rain gauge is placed in an open area away from trees and buildings. This is also done to ensure that splashes of water do not cause the rain gauge to collect extra water. The apparatus is placed below the ground so that only 30 centimeters of it remains above the ground. Next is hygrometer, page number 23, and page number 22. The diagram is, this is hygrometer diagram. A hygrometer is an instrument used to measure the amount of water vapor in air, in soil or in confined space. Humidity measurement instruments usually rely on measurements of some other quantities such as temperature, pressure, mass, a mechanical or electrical change in a substance as moisture is absorbed by calibration and calculation, these measured quantities can lead to a measurement of humidity. A crude hygrometer was invented by Leonardo da Vinci in 1840. Major leaps came forward during the 16th century. Major leaps came forward. The then Francisco Foley invented a more practical version of the device, while Robert Hooke improved a number of meteorological devices, including the hygrometers. Full stop. This page is 23. Come to the next page. Next page is conclusion. 24 page number is white sheet and 25 is conclusion. Meteorological instruments are the equipments used to sample the state of the atmosphere at a given time. Each science has its own unique sets of laboratory equipment, in order to measure air temperatures. Various types of meteorological thermometers and thermographs are used. The humidity of the air is measured with hygrometers, atmospheric pressure is measured with barometers, Android barometers. Meteorology is a science which does not use much lab equipment but relies more on field mode in situ observations. Come to next page. White sheet is 26 and this is 27. This is 27 page number. Point is acknowledgement. Primarily, I would thank our principal. You write down here. You can watch star, mini star. You write down here principal name, for being able to complete this project with success. Then I would like to thank my geography teacher. Here mention, you can watch many star. Here you write down the teacher name, geography teacher name, whose valuable guidance has been the ones that helped me patch this project and make it foolproof success. Her his suggestions, because female teacher you write down her, male teacher you write down his suggestion, and her or his instruction has served as the major contributor towards the completion of the project. Come to next para. Then I would like to thank my parents, friends who have helped me with their valuable suggestions and guidance has been helpful in various phases of the completion of the project. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my classmates who have helped me a lot. Thank you. You watch a mini step, you write down your name. Come to next page. Next page is white sheet and page number 29 bibliography. Here pencil page number 29 bibliography. To make this project, I have then taken source from the following books. Number 1, Practical Work in Geography. Number 2, Frank Middle School Geography. Number 3, Exploring Geography. 4, The Blue Marble Geography. Para, I have taken source from internet too and taken help of our geography teacher. Here write down the teacher name, it means Minister. The end.